Hola, this is Allie with Allie So Crafty. Welcome to my YouTube channel. What you're going to see in this channel is tutorials on how to make certain projects, pattern reviews, comparisons of different patterns that I've found, and some hacks and tips and tricks that have made my life as a crafter, especially as a sewer, easier. And I want to share these with you. So the main purpose of this channel is to work with crafters like you who don't mind hearing a couple of Spanish words every once in a while so that we can create all these beautiful things together. If you keep watching, then who knows, you may end up with a beautiful product that you can brag about to your friends and family, and who knows, you may end up learning a couple of Spanish words here and there. So if you like what I'm offering to you today, just make sure that you subscribe to my channel so you can get notifications every time I upload a video, which will be approximately once a week. And like this video, please. It helps me more than you know. I am very thankful that you're here watching this today. And see you in the next video. Ciao.